what the leprechauns did.
Hey, the leprechaun knocked down the thing and this.
Oh my gosh. What else did it do? Look at the table.
Ah!
Those leprechauns.
That's the leprechaun down. Me thinking.
Well, let's follow the shamrocks.
So we can find the gold and let's do gold. Oh no, gold! 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 I found gold! 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 That's more!
Where's the gold?
Gold!
Good job, Christian. Cole found gold.
I see it. I see it. Gold! That was funny.
Oh my goodness.
I like this movie. Bambi. Mommy?
Yeah, gold coins.
Hey, look at what
And-
he did.
Oh my gosh.
Hey! Look at everything is in something.
What's in your pot of gold?
Nothing.
Candy, gold candies.
I didn't know he came in the middle of the night.
Isn't that funny?
Yeah.
Can you say Happy St. Patrick's Day?
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Very
I
good.
think he saw a rainbow.
Oh, I think so too. And that's where he left the pot of gold, under the rainbow.